Dear students, we are back with our online classes. Today, we'll discuss the first unit, that is communication skills. Under this unit, we have chapter number 1, communication cycle. First of all, we need to understand what is a communication. Dear students, communication is a two-way process where a sender shares his messages to a person or a group of persons. So you can say that communication is a two-way process for sharing the information to each other. In the communication, we have basically two prominent elements, that is sender and receiver. The sender sends a message and the receiver gives a response to the message. Now, to have a good communication, we need some elements of a communication cycle. There are certain elements of a communication cycle. As you all know, that the communication is a dynamic, a two-way process. The essential elements of the communication process are the message, sender, the encoding, the communication channel, the receiver, decoding of the information, and the feedback. Let me explain. Message is the information that has to be conveyed. Sender is the one who sends the message. Say, an example, in a teaching learning process, the teacher is a sender. Again, the sender forms or encodes a message in a particular language. Then a medium is required, a communication channel is required. Say in the online teaching, we have internet. Then there is a receiver, the one who receives the message and decodes the message, interprets the message, and that process is known as decoding. After the message is interpreted, the receiver sends a response to the message, that is another element called feedback. So all these are the 6 elements that needs to be there when we have a communication cycle. As you all know, it is a two-way process. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless.